Looking for a tool. No, nothing there. Ah, that'll do it. Alright, so that really didn't work. It only made a mess of things. I was reading online that hamburger buns is bad. You gotta use like whole wheat, whole grain sandwich slices, and that's what gets the pilot bushings out. But anyways, moving along with that. Let's do it. Okay, so this is where we're at. We got flywheel, clutch, and clutch cover in. The clutch cover needs to be tightened, but at the current angle that the engine sits, I really can't get a ratchet up here to get it tightened. So I'm gonna do that later. Everything's on there finger tight for now. But yeah, so the next thing is, what I'm gonna do today is the transmission itself. I'm gonna put it on the transmission jack and prepare it so I can put it over here, and then I'll get these painted too. I'm still waiting on a couple other parts, like the shifter for the trans. That's not in yet, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and see what else I can do. Before you guys before you guys beat me up for it, the flywheel bolts, I did torque them down. I just didn't do it on camera, because it's super difficult to have a camera here, plus holding the flywheel, plus torquing it. I'm not an octopus, so yeah. That was impossible to film. But anyways, let me keep moving along with this guy. Alright, so this is where we're at. Transmission's on the new little transmission jack. This thing can only lift it up to, I think, 2 feet, 24 inches-ish, somewhere like that. So I'm gonna have to do a little dance with the engine hoist, and then the engine hoist, and the car hoist, and then getting this guy off, getting the, the weight of the engine off of that guy. That's gonna be a little bit of a pain, but we're gonna do it. And then the engine itself, I'm gonna have to angle it downwards, and then the transmission here, I'm gonna have to angle this upwards. That way it'll meet and connect correctly, and hopefully it won't be too big of an issue. I really like that the plate has the right here and all the way on the top, they have the studs coming out. That's gonna make it easier aligning the transmission to get everything to align and bolt up, hopefully. So that's done. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna continue. Hopefully the shifter comes in pretty soon. Otherwise, I'll just take this thing off and just have this off and just wait for the shifter. And whenever the shifter does come in, I'll go ahead and install it. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.